When rumors circulated that Robin Padilla got fellow Duterte supporter Mocha Uson pregnant, netizens had been tagging Mariel Rodriguez. She initially ignored the issue. Now, the wife of Robin Padilla wants people to stop. Robin's brother Roy had passed away on January 9. Pregnancy rumors circulated a week after it, beginning as a blind item. As she demanded to stop all the baseless gossip, Mariel turned off comments on her Instagram post.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.